peanut. The kingdom is waiting for you. I know, Kiwawa. I'm having so much fun with Breath of the Wild. Not gonna lie, I'm really looking forward to Tears of the Kingdom. Hi, Kiwawa. I miss you. I need Kiwawa hugs. Do you miss me? Do you? Stream, do you? No, I need Ina hugs. Kiwawa. Oh. You know, next time we can be in the studio together. You should teach me, do you? And you can see me flail around. That'll be great content. Why is Ina so lonely? Cause Kiwawa not here. PN. Cause Wawa not here. Ina sad. Ina lonely. We're getting in the plane now. Kiwawa. Just to let you know, I don't have an extra bed, so we're gonna have to sleep in the same one. Oh, I miss everyone already. You're going to Ame's place again soon? Do you want to visit again? When? Ikitai! DM me, I want to know. Okay! If I'm free, I might, you know, but I also have to renew my passport, so depending on when that gets done. But it'll be fun. I miss you guys so much. But yeah, I have more motivation to get my passport renewed now.